Hey guys, welcome back to Wrap Lab. We got a pretty cool video today. As you guys can see, we have a 720s Mclaren here. We're gonna be wrapping some bits on it to match this black roof that it has. So there's some gray bits we're gonna do, kind of like a chrome delete, even though it's not really chrome. But the bits are on the window and some bits in the back, so we'll show you. And then we're gonna tint it, and then we're gonna change out the rear diffuser because the old one's kind of damaged, and then the front lip. And we're also gonna ceramic coat it. And it's already washed it, got it all ready for us, and then we'll ceramic coat it. We'll show you all that. Stay tuned.
We'll see y'all later. Bro, we gotta like unionize against Danny so he pays us more because I want one of these, bro. By that, we would have to just take all of Danny's money.
I can't even afford one of these.
We could afford like a stolen one without a title. I would.
You know the oil change is $9,000.
Yeah, I don't have. I just wouldn't change that. When it's due for oil change, I'd crash.
Trade it in.
Yeah, trade it in.
So prepping the gaskets, prepping the pieces. So this is getting wrapped black. This is getting wrapped black. This piece right here is getting wrapped black. This, and then this whole area right here is also going to be black. So torque tool and isopropyl alcohol on the towel, we're just cleaning the area where the gasket touches the piece that we're going to wrap.
I'll go buy the car.
Out of my way, I'm filming.
Weird? No. Are we done making noise?
But Edison's gonna get started on this diffuser. As you can see, the old one's pretty damaged, and he got this cool new gloss one. So if we're gonna figure out how to install that, we're trying to figure out if we have to take off this bumper or not. So yeah, that's where we're at. Alright guys, so Mclaren in the back is all done. Now we're going to finish up the GTI. So the front splitter and the rear diffuser are on, as you guys saw. So next we're going to prep it for the ceramic coating. So this is Car Pro Eraser. We just hit the whole car with that, get it ready. You can either use this or alcohol. Sometimes we use alcohol. I like how this smells better, so I use this. And then we'll ceramic coat it. Be all done for this video. Alright guys, that's it for this video. The GTI is done, got that front splitter, the rear diffuser, and a ceramic coating. McLaren's done, tint is done, and all those little bits are wrapped. So that's it for now. We got some big wraps coming up, we'll show you those. And then we're still going to be doing those how-to videos, so stay tuned.